How to set up file sharing in Windows 11 using different methods. We'll cover basic network sharing, FTP, and IIS configurations. First, let's create our shared folder. Open File Explorer, right-click on PC and navigate to C drive. Right-click in empty space, select New, then Create Folders. Name it as FE Shares. After that, let's create our TXT files. Right-click to create new, and select TXT document. To create 3 text document, name is as file1.txt. Repeat this process to create file2.txt and file3.txt. You also can add some sample text in each file if you like. Let's configure sharing permissions. Right-click on FE Shares folder, select Properties, and click on Sharing tab. Click Advanced Sharing. Check the box that says Share this folder. Click Permission. Select everyone from the group or username under Permission. Ensure only Read is checked. Click Apply and then OK. To make the folder accessible, go back to Properties, click Network and Sharing Center. Click Advanced Sharing Settings to ensure Network Discovery is turned on. Turn on File and Printer Sharing, and save changes. Next is disable the Windows Defender firewall on both computer. This will help ensure our file sharing isn't being blocked. Press Windows key and type Windows Defender Firewall. Click Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security in the left sidebar. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. You will see to section Private Network Settings and Public Network Setting. Remember, we are doing this for testing purpose. In a production environment, you should configure firewall rules instead of turning it off completely. Let's check our IP address using command prompt. Type IP protocol configurations and press enter. This show basic IP configuration. Look for Ethernet adapter or wireless LAN adapter. Under that, find IPv4 address. Let's test our configuration. To access this folder from another computer, open File Explorer. In the address bar, type IP for address FE Shares. After enter IP address, you will see a Windows security pop-up asking for network credentials. Type the username and password of an account on the target computer. After enter username and password. Now you can see 3 text files created earlier. Next, how to set up FTP and web services using Internet Information Service IIS in Windows. We will cover everything from installation to testing, ensuring you can share file both through FTP and web access. Let's start by installing FTP service in Windows. First, access Windows features. Go to search bar and type Control Panel and press Enter. Navigate to Programs and Features. Look for Turn Windows Features on or off on the left side. Now let's enable FTP. Scroll down to find Internet Information Service. Click the plus sign to expand it. Find FTP server and check its box. Make sure both FTP service and FTP extensibility are selected. Click OK and wait Windows install these feature. Now the FTP is installed. Let's configure our FTP site. Let us open Windows Plus or type into Enter and press Enter. This open Internet Information Service Manager to creating our FTP site. In the connection panel, right-click on Sites, choose Add FTP Site Name at FE Shares. This will be our FTP site name. Browse to see /FE share for the physical path. This is where our shared files are located. 3. Configuring FTP settings for IP address. We'll select all and assign key port. This is the standard FTP port for SSL. We select no SSL. For this demonstration, in a production environment, you might want to enable SSL for security. Next, authorization allow access to all user and are set to read only. Next, moving on to IIS web server. Set up one first. Let's enable IIS features. Go back to Windows features. Check Internet Information Services, expand it, and select Web Management Tools. This gives us tools we need to manage our web server. Now verify everything is working correctly. Test from another computer on the network. Open your browser, type http:// your server IP. FE shares to look your information. Thanks for watching.